As I look to this week ahead, I see an image of a phone that has been broken, it's been dropped on the ground, and as you lift it up, it's simply not working. And the Lord says, I am the one who is redeeming the things which have been broken, the one who is fixing the things which have stopped working. For I'm bringing my healing presence. I'm bringing restoration. Give all into my hands anew. Give to me the things which have been broken. Let go and open your hands ready to receive, so that I can give you that which is better. I can give you that which is new and whole. I am the Lord who restores, the Lord who redeems, the Lord who gives back better than ever before. For where the enemy has sought to steal, to kill, and to destroy, I came that you would have life, and that you would live life in its fullness. This week, let go of the things which have been broken. Let go of the things which have been damaged and hurt, giving them into my hands, allowing me to work, giving me the freedom to either heal and restore, or to replace with that which is new and better. Give all into my hands anew this week, allowing me to be the Lord, allowing me to be the one who brings heaven's best. Trust in me and entrust all into my hands, for I am the Lord who is with you this week, the Lord who is bringing the surprises of my heart. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.